With pinpoint accuracy, nozzles dispense the golden papaya juice, filling each bottle to perfection.
Every detail is monitored, from storage conditions to seed quality, ensuring optimal processing at every step.
From sprawling fields to a modern marvel, witness the incredible journey of papayas transformed into refreshing juice.
Every papaya begins its journey with a rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest fruit makes it through.
Advanced sorting technology precisely categorizes each papaya, ensuring uniformity and optimal quality for juice extraction.
Organized and ready, vast quantities of perfectly sorted papayas await their transformation into delicious juice.
In the lab, meticulous testing ensures every papaya meets stringent sweetness and quality standards for perfection.
With precision, papayas are loaded into advanced peeling machines, preparing them for the next crucial step.
Witness the intricate dance of machinery as each papaya is expertly peeled, revealing its golden, juicy interior.
Even in storage, samples are meticulously taken, reaffirming the pulp's unwavering quality and freshness.
From sprawling fields to a modern marvel, witness the incredible journey of papayas transformed into refreshing juice.
Inside the powerful pulpa, golden papaya flesh transforms into a rich, smooth consistency, ready for juice extraction.
Through a network of sterile pipes, the rich papaya pulp journeys onward, maintaining its purity and freshness. The pulp enters the refiner, undergoing further transformation to achieve an incredibly smooth, consistent texture.
A refined pulp sample is carefully collected, undergoing rigorous checks to guarantee its superior quality.
And inside massive mixers, the refined papaya pulp is gently blended, achieving perfect consistency and flavor balance.
The perfectly mixed papaya pulp is then transferred to sterile tanks, preserving its freshness and vibrant flavor.
Even in storage, samples are meticulously taken, reaffirming the pulp's unwavering quality and freshness.
The pressure gauge is fluctuating slightly.
It's within tolerance, but keep monitoring the temperature. Precise temperature control during pasteurization is paramount, safeguarding the juice's purity and extending shelf life. Through sterile, transparent pipes, the pasteurized juice flows, a testament to its purity and meticulous processing.
A warehouse worker expertly guides pallets of juice, a crucial step in delivering freshness worldwide.
With pinpoint accuracy, nozzles dispense the golden papaya juice, filling each bottle to perfection. Freshly filled bottles glide towards the capping station, meticulously sealed to preserve every drop of flavor.
Automated precision seals each bottle, locking in the vibrant freshness and exquisite taste of the papaya juice.
Vibrant labels are precisely applied, transforming each bottle into a recognized symbol of quality and taste.
In the vast warehouse, forklifts efficiently transport pallets, preparing papaya juice for global distribution.
At the loading dock, trucks are filled, embarking on journeys to deliver fresh papaya juice worldwide.
The journey culminates here. A perfectly chilled bottle of pure papaya juice, ready to be enjoyed.
Finally, the journey ends at your local store, where the refreshing taste of papaya awaits you. Onilio.
Experience the pure essence of papaya as it fills your glass, a golden elixir of refreshment.
Savor the exquisite taste, a testament to nature's bounty and meticulous craftsmanship in every single sip.
The journey begins with the perfect papaya, revealing its vibrant heart, a promise of pure flavor.
Deep within sun-drenched plantations, dedicated farmers nurture each papaya, ensuring its perfect ripeness.
With practiced hands, farmers carefully harvest each ripe papaya, a testament to their dedication and care.
And farmers gather the bountiful harvest, each papaya carefully collected and prepared for its journey.
Trucks brim with nature's bounty, transporting the freshest papayas from farm to factory.
The journey begins as trucks transport the precious cargo from tranquil fields to bustling factory gates.
Upon arrival, every delivery undergoes meticulous verification, ensuring only the freshest papayas proceed.
Precision measurement ensures each papaya's internal temperature is optimal, guaranteeing peak freshness and quality.
With meticulous care, each papaya begins its journey, gently placed onto the conveyor for processing. Papayas enter the automated pre-wash, where purified water gently cleanses them, ensuring absolute purity. Water cascades, leaving each papaya pristine, a testament to the thoroughness of our pre-wash process. Gentle air jets meticulously dry each papaya, preparing it for the next stage of its transformative journey. Papayas enter the automated pre-wash, where purified water gently cleanses them, ensuring absolute purity. Precision tools delicately remove every seed, ensuring only the purest papaya flesh proceeds to extraction.
Perfectly peeled and de-seeded, the golden papaya halves glide towards their transformation into delicious juice.
Within the pulper, rotating screens meticulously filter, ensuring only the purest, silkiest papaya pulp emerges.
A vigilant eye inspects the flowing pulp, ensuring pristine quality before it reaches the holding tanks.
In the lab, spectrophotometers meticulously analyze pulp for perfect color and consistency, ensuring excellence.
Through a multi-stage filtration system, the pulp is meticulously purified, achieving unparalleled smoothness and clarity.
A fine mesh filter meticulously purifies the pulp, guaranteeing an exquisitely smooth and particle-free juice.
A skilled technician performs a sensory evaluation, ensuring the blended juice achieves its perfect, intended flavor.
The blended juice enters advanced pasteurization units, undergoing precise heat treatment for safety and freshness.
Pressure gauges precisely monitor the pasteurization process, ensuring optimal conditions for juice safety and quality. Through intricate cooling coils, the pasteurized juice reaches its ideal temperature, preserving its vibrant freshness.
Automated arms swiftly cap each bottle, ensuring an airtight seal that preserves the juice's pristine quality.
A final meticulous inspection ensures every capped and labeled bottle meets our stringent quality standards.
With meticulous care, each papaya begins its journey, gently placed onto the conveyor for processing.
Robotic arms meticulously stack boxes onto pallets, showcasing the precision and efficiency of modern logistics.
A shipping label is precisely printed and affixed, ensuring every pallet is accurately tracked and delivered. A warehouse worker expertly guides pallets of juice, a crucial step in delivering freshness worldwide.
From the loading dock, pallets of papaya juice embark on their journey, destined for homes everywhere.
The truck doors close, sealing in freshness, as our papaya juice begins its journey to consumers. The journey continues as our trucks carry the essence of papaya to markets far and wide. Behold the final creation, a perfectly crafted bottle of papaya juice, ready to delight your senses.
Gentle air jets meticulously dry each papaya, preparing it for the next stage of its transformative journey.
Our brand logo, a symbol of quality, reflects the meticulous care and passion in every bottle.
Capturing the essence, skilled photographers meticulously craft images, showcasing the juice's vibrant appeal.
The price tag reflects our commitment to quality and value, making premium papaya juice accessible.
Consumers pick up our juice, drawn by its vibrant label and the promise of natural goodness.
Into the shopping cart it goes, a testament to quality, ready for its final destination, your home.
From our factory to your home, the journey concludes, ready for your enjoyment and daily refreshment.
The satisfying twist of the cap, the gentle hiss, revealing the fresh, vibrant taste within.
As the golden elixir cascades, swirling around ice, promising pure, refreshing papaya delight.
Savor the pure taste of sunshine, a moment of tranquil refreshment, connecting you to nature's best.
Glistening with freshness, the condensation on your glass promises an incredibly chilled and invigorating experience.
Cheers, Mommy!
To a happy day! This juice is wonderful.
Little hands, big smiles. Our papaya juice, a delicious and wholesome choice for the entire family.
After every workout, replenish and revitalize with the natural goodness of our refreshing papaya juice.
Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, our papaya juice is a natural, wholesome choice for well-being.
From the heart of nature, where papayas thrive, comes the pure essence of our delicious juice.
Nature's delicate dance. Bees pollinate papaya flowers, ensuring the fruit's natural sweetness and abundance.
Witness nature's artistry, a papaya's slow, beautiful transformation from green to golden ripeness on the tree.
The journey continues as our trucks carry the essence of papaya to markets far and wide.
From fertile soil, life springs forth. The rich earth nourishes our papayas, ensuring their vibrant flavor.
Clear, flowing water nurtures our papaya trees, a vital element for cultivating their exceptional sweetness.
Committed to sustainability, our farmers nurture the land, ensuring healthy papayas and a thriving ecosystem. Revealing its inner beauty, a fresh papaya is cut, its vibrant flesh promising pure, natural sweetness. Even the seeds hold a story, a testament to the papaya's natural bounty and vibrant life within.
A touch of lime and mint elevates the experience, transforming our papaya juice into a refreshing delight. A touch of lime and mint elevates the experience, transforming our papaya juice into a refreshing delight.
The perfect glass, vibrant, refreshing, and beautifully garnished, ready for your ultimate enjoyment.
Irresistible allure, a moment of pure refreshment as you reach for the natural goodness.
The first sip, a symphony of natural flavors, pure satisfaction, a moment of true refreshment.
From nature's embrace, the perfect papaya, a testament to pure goodness, the heart of our juice.
Freshly blended, the vibrant papaya pulp flows into your glass, a pure, wholesome taste of nature.